Oh my God, what a relief. I will not drive her any longer. She
Yes,
will be
you
like,
will.
okay, she will be self-sustained driver and a person, she can buy a Ferrari or whatever she wants. Okay, now we have to slowly move left on the left lane, okay? Signal, and see in the back mirror if there are no UFOs, all right?
Can I go now?
I don't know. Yes, you can go now if there are no cars behind you.
No, I don't understand anything.
All right, now you're gonna go straight then. Now we left, we missed, we go straight. Because we missed opportunity here. Now, signal and go left. All right, signal and go left. Okay, fantastic. Now we have merged into the other lane. Here we're gonna make left. We're gonna stop right here. Stop, full stop. We're gonna stop here. All right, now we go left after all these cars are gone. All right,
After this red car, right?
that is correct. Okay, let's go to our garage and
We're going to our garage. Why is he beeping?
because there are nasty people in this world that I'm telling you.
Можем еще чуть покататься, или тебе надо идти?
Oh yeah, just go straight. Yeah, just go. We go in our neighborhood now. The reason they are honking is this: if it's a guy, is because his wife did not do the job, and if it's a woman, it's because either her period or either her man did the job halfway or didn't do it at all, or he was busy doing other stuff.
And there's a garbage truck.
All right, garbage trucks are dangerous. Stop.
Yes! It's our friend!
Oh, who's that? Ah, that's
Yes.
that's the.
Yeah! Твой друг!
All right. Oh, this is our friend.
Да.
What was his
Поэтому
name?
он сигналил.
The
Воин.
Voyan, yeah, this is our good friend here. He is liquidating these buildings. We have to take part in the liquidation too. There's an opportunity in liquidating these buildings, yeah? Voya. All right. Now we can go see the Cadillac.
The Cadillac.
That would be nice, yeah. The Cadillac is over there somewhere in a storage,
Okay,
you know.
just where do you need me to go? Straight?
Oh no, we're not gonna go. We don't have time. It's 9:06.
Okay. we'll
All
just
right. We're
make
gonna go
videos.
around our favorite Japanese restaurant. Oh, sorry.
And
Japanese or French or
Chinese.
house with the horse. It's a big horse there. All right, famous Yoshi, you drive very well. I'm like
It's
so.
just because I'm not afraid when I'm next to you, but I'm still
Don't worry,
afraid.
soon you will be independent woman on your own. What kind of car you are planning to buy?
I don't know yet.
Can I choose one for you?
No, I want Tesla, but we'll see if
And how about we give you?
wise.
How about we give you Prius?
Yeah,
Prius is good.
actually, I want a beautiful car,
Prius is very beautiful car.
and I want electric
It's
car.
an
actually.
ugly duck. Why you want electric car?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a very good car, electric car. It's called Kona. Hyundai Kona. Or the Japanese cars. We may import a Japanese car. Maybe better than Tesla.
Maybe.
Yeah. Or maybe the new Mercedes. There's a fully electric Mercedes-Benz, like super good. BMW is also coming with fully electric cars too. And Volvo, it's also one of these companies that it's getting very much. Volvo in the next 3-4
Я
years.
помещусь между ними или
Yes,
подождать,
that
пока
is
он
correct.
проедет?
Yes. You can go through. Now you can go do your K-turns here. Huh? Yes, that is a K-turn situation here, or you can go park backwards. Yeah? Would you like to park backwards? In that tight spot over there? All right, let's go. Okay, we have Karen Souza today singing for us. Karen Souza. Oh my God.
I don't think there's any.
Everything. There's one spot
Okay.
available here, all right?
And there's one spot available there. I can
All
try
right.
parking.
Yeah, you can try. You can try that.
Seldom.
Yes, that is correct. Let's see how that would go.
Or is it? Too
No,
late?
it's extra perfect spot for you to try.
No, is it too late for me because I'm far from the car?
Well, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I think it's good, you know. I think it's
Like
good.
this, right?
I think you have to go a little bit more to align your back of the car with. Okay, now I will go outside to see what you're actually doing. All right. Okay, let's wait this guy to go first. He goes with Acura. Acura. All right. Oh, what a beautiful day today. Famous Jožek. That is unbelievable. Oh, Starbucks lady here. The Starbucks lady here. And famous Jožek is now trying to park over there. Okay, go. Okay, now let's see. I think the distance, she is too far away from the... Okay, she is way far away from the... Yeah. Go. Okay, go famous Jožek. Yes, that's a good maneuver. That's a good, very good. Yes, go. Yes, fantastic. Very good. Yeah, you can almost do it like from first. Yeah, very good. Continue rotating. Yes. All right. Yes, go more. You have more. All right. Now you can. Yes, very correct. Fantastic. Very good. Wow, famous Jožek is doing very well. I myself could not do that when I was young driver. I didn't know any of that. Amazing. And now, you know, what they say when you start teaching people, you learn. You know, in our motivational speaker community, we say this. Yes, very good. Yes, fantastic. Jožek is doing very good job. But so in our motivational speaker community, little club, we say this. No, straight. No. Stop. Yeah, that's it. Now, that is not nice. You know, the car is sideways. Yeah, you can go and that is correct. Yes. Fantastic. All right. Very good. Wait a second. No. Come forward. Yes, come forward. All right. And now, yes. And now you go backwards. All right. That is a perfect parking. Almost perfect. You know, like, but, you know, I mean, yeah, it is almost perfect. It is like super straight. All right, and this side, yeah, you see, all right, here and here is, you know, just a little bit, but it's very good. That I would say more than enough. All right, so that was a good maneuver, famous Jožek. How do you feel your first day of driving in the...
It was a little bit scary and I ripped
Oh yeah.
my stockings in
How?
Starbucks. No,
Oh,
I just tried to pull them and I have nails, so I just pulled them like this and they ripped.
That's like a very sexy famous Jožek. Famous Jožek is very sexy famous Jožek. Хороший. Такой хорошенький. All right, so now what I was about to say, I was about to say that when I was driver, like a new driver, I didn't know any of that. And so since now I'm training famous Jožek, I start learning more. So in our motivational community, we say the best way to learn is to teach someone else. Even if you know like 10% of the knowledge, you can try to be a teacher, and you will teach somebody who does nothing, and then you're gonna learn better. That's the concept. You become the best learner by becoming a good teacher. Something like that, right?
Right. I want to try catering here on that narrow
Yes,
road.
famous Yožik is
Then
doing
we'll go
all
to
kinds of
garage.
turns.
U-turn is easy, right?
Well,
Oh, not really.
if you have a tractor, it's
No,
very
not
easy.
Tractor. I mean,
Tractor does very good U-turn. All right, that's good. Yes, famous Yožik is getting very good with the wheel. That's a good thing, you know. Most of the people are timid with the wheel. They are shy with the wheel. They don't take the wheel aggressively, and that is not good. In order to drive the car good, you have to be very aggressive with the wheel. I mean, like just like that. You have control of the wheel. Some of the wheels are called one-finger wheel, like our Lincoln Continental.
why one finger? Is it that easy to?
That is correct, because they have the servo system, the special system assisting. Like in the Cadillac, it's a one-finger wheel.
Actually, I wanted to try parking next to this Tesla.
All right, you can park next to the Tesla. There is 2 spots here. All right.